Scouting went good today at Vlaw, but we got a lot of the spots out of the way, so we won't have to look it up tomorrow. Yeah, so we're gonna wake up at like 4 tomorrow. Hopefully a lot of partridge. We saw 10 partridge today, 1 coyote, no meese. But we're gonna try and shoot a meese tomorrow, maybe a coyote and some partridge. Got shotguns, tons of rifles and stuff. It's gonna be a good time. So see y'all in the morning. Alright guys, so it's currently like 6:15 in the morning. We're at the store. It's like 10 minutes down from where we're going. We're going down that way, and we'll get to some hunting. So today basically we can go for birds, moose. We got a lot of things to go for, but hopefully it's a good day. Let's get on. Yeah. 6:27. Shooting lights at 6:37. So in 10 minutes we can be shooting anything we want. It's actually pretty perfect timing. Because we're at the place right now, we gotta get our permit to go in for the day. We gotta pay to get in here. So we come up this road like a mile, and then we'll go off to our first stop of all kinds of clearings and stuff. So it'll probably be perfect timing.
I only saw like 4 birds there yesterday.
Yeah, we saw 10 partridge yesterday. Saw a coyote, no moose, but yeah, and there was squirrels like everywhere we went. Our main point of this is not squirrels, but
we got
a lot of
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guns.
Yeah, my main thing is gonna be partridge day. Caden's the one shooting the deer, and his dad's a sub-permittee.
The deer.
Sorry, they're the two shooting the moose. He's the deer hunting, not moose hunting. Anyways, I got my gun. I'll come in here and get ready to go in just a second. Not loaded in the car, of course. But so partridge would be my first thing. Moose would be Caden's, and then coyote we'll just figure it out if we see one. Also, not highly unlikely, but if we shoot a bear, if we see a bear, I can shoot him, or you can shoot him, but I'm gonna shoot him. So yeah, we got a lot of options today. Should be a fun time. See what we can find in here. See you guys when we get in there.
Yeah, he's coming out.
Where?
Just give him a second. He's right here.
Oh, I see him. Is he that gray thing?
No, he's running.
Running.
I see him.
Where?
He's up in here. He's right in front of us. He's right past these trees.
Past these ones right here.
Yeah, he's right.
Oh wait, I see him.
See him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's like in the back.
Yeah.
We can't get a shot.
Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. You see him still? He's moving up here. There, he's right there. He's coming out. You're gonna get a shot.
Yeah, I see him.
He's coming out. See him?
Mm-hmm.
Kill him. Kill him.
I can't see him yet.
He's gonna fly. He's right here.
There he is.
Okay.
Should I shoot through the branches? Oh, I see him.
Kill him if you got a clear shot.
I gotta go through the branches a little bit, but he should be dead.
Okay. Take your time. Kill him. Got him. Nice shot. First partridge. Killed him, right?
Yeah. Gonna hold that.
This is partridge, right?
Yeah. Pull it out and it's like a baby bald eagle. Oh yeah, she's dead.
Got him. There's through some branches. We were watching him walk. Nice shot.
Ah. Blangle.
First partridge. I don't go partridge hunting that much, so that's my first one.
That was a hard shot.
I know. I saw him in between. I was standing right here, and he was right in between these bushes, and I was like, I can get a shot from there.
Don't throw him in there quite yet.
I thought I saw movement, and I was like, and it was movement.
Yeah. No, I was standing right here, and he was right like in between those two branches right there, and I was like, and he stopped, and he was back too, and I was like, I can get a shot at that.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Good job.
First bird.
Unlock. Those are right there, probably. Two birds. I can run in there and flush them to you. Be ready. We'll both shoot. He's gonna flush from in the air. There's a bird.
There's one. I think he landed.
He's up in there.
I think he landed.
Get him? Okay, we'll go get this one.
Yeah, I think he landed up here.
Yeah, he did. Nice. 2 birds. Parker, go up the trail if he flushed it out to you. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, and there's 2 on the right. You got another one? You got another one. That's 3.
Alright, so we flushed 4 and killed
5.
2.
5.
We flushed 5 and killed 2. Dad missed the second one, it's just too far away, but good signs. Hopefully we'll get some more when we come back up here.
That's 2.
I probably should have waited on, but he was running.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Look to your right. Is there another one in there?
I think he just hopped up and walked. That's him, I think. 3 birds.
All right, he's fine. Except he did get us on a bird. He's taking us to a dead end there.
Are you serious?
So that was so we were supposed to keep straight there and take a left at the next corner.
Oh, we got a bird.
You want your own back?
You better kill that thing. He's right here. Go slow, go slow. He's right here. Yeah. Yeah, he didn't fly. You got him? Take your time. Yeah, kill him. Kill him. Nice. Right in the head. Right after I said we should start seeing partridge here.
Oh, they hardly go anywhere, do they?
No.
Right after you said this looked like a good partridge road.
Yeah.
Oh geez, that was a good shot.
You're the middle bag, man.
Okay. This is me.
Nope. Here's the middle bag.
You still alive?
No. 4 birds? That's pretty good.
Alright, so I just shot 4 the day. Limit's 4 a person. I have 2, Caden's Dad has 1, he has 1. So we're up to 4, so we can shoot 12 total. We're a third of the way there. It's not even 9:30 yet, and we're gonna be here till probably
7 at least. Driving out.
yeah, 6 or 7. It's starting to mist right now, which it's not supposed to rain, so I think we'll be good. But yeah, so hopefully we still haven't seen any moose. We came across some old moose crap, so that's about the closest we got to it. But the birds are looking good, so hopefully we can see some moose soon.
Yeah. This is nice though.
Beautiful. I want to be up in the trees.
Well, we haven't seen a bird or a moose or anything in 4 hours, so that's alright.
Oh no, he's uncomfortable.
Oh, put them kind of together.
Oh gee.
Put them in this line here, my man.
Let's put them in this line.
Okay, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Come on, brothers.
Look at yours, kid. That's a turkey partridge.
That's an oversized rat with wings.
Yeah, let's put that bigger one back there.
Yours has flat breasts.
Oh yeah, look at that. Your bird may be bigger.
But its breasts are flat.
Alright.
Ridiculous.
Awesome, neck.
We're all gonna have these nice beautiful cuts of meat, and Katie's just gonna have like this foot-long cut of meat that's like this thin.
I told you we're gonna be on a cow hunt and only see bulls.
He's just standing there waiting for us to shoot it. Would there be a cow around it? He's coming toward us, isn't he?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's no horn. Yeah, that's a nice bull. Looking right at us.
Don't take off.
You want to look at him?
I'm gonna set my coffee ready.
Yeah, it's like I'm gonna get a little video real
Look
quick.
at him, Parker.
Yep.
That thing does not want to move.
It's about like Shannon's, isn't it?
Yeah.
Give me a decent shot too.
Well, I mean, that's nice.
It's definitely bigger.
You want to look at you?
I'm fine. Cool.
Right at the very end.
So there's a bull up there. We got some real crappy footage of it because he's a ways away. Not really to us, but to the camera he is. Caden has a cow permit, so we can't shoot that. But it's nice seeing one. Because we haven't for a while. Actually, we haven't.
Only one
Straight
cow.
up. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock on Monday, and so this is our first. It's our first live moose encounter. We saw one guy drive by with a dead cow, but that's it. So hopefully we can see some more, and maybe get some more birds on the way back. But now it's not a good time, anyways. It's almost 1, and usually in the morning, in the afternoon, and like late evening is a good time. So hopefully we'll get out there later and get some meese.
All right, you got the GoPro? What? Yeah, there is antlers.
There is for sure.
Nope, can I look again real quick? Yeah, there is antlers. I do now. Where is he? Yeah, that's him.
That's him.
Yeah. Dang, dude, that got me again. I thought for sure that was a cow.
Up a little bit.
So we just stopped.
We can keep
just
going.
for a quick walk around break. We're just gonna come up here and look for squirrels. Not squirrels, partridge, but we hear squirrels. Hopefully we can get some more. We already got 4 skinned for some dinner tonight, so
See if we can find it. We can kill that squirrel easy enough. You went over him. Yeah.
Where is he?
I haven't. He flew in here. I know he's in one of these. He's in an evergreen, but that doesn't help much.
Oh, I thought you had an action.
Oh, I did. And then he was just sitting here. He should be right here somewhere. Oh, I see him. Yeah, I got him. Shower of feathers. Holy crap, destroyed him. Okay. I should aim for the head on that one.
Hey, he was in the evergreen, huh?
Yeah, he flew up, he was on the road.
Alright, hop in. Let's see.
Dude, and you realize? Alright, so we just passed literally a guy right there that just shot something. Caden and I heard the gunshot when he was shooting a partridge. And then we drove up another 50 yards and there was another guy.
It kind of looked like one, but it's not moving. And I think we should go find something that looks like a
Nothing moves, so now it's time.
It's moving.
I think I see antlers. Those are antlers. Up above it. Big antlers.
There's 2 moose there.
There's? I don't think so.
You guys were pretty darn sure you shot it where Caden said it was. I was darn sure I did. Maybe you did.
I didn't get a good look at him though.
There's just 1 moose there. Don't waste their time if it's just one more.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna burn time.
We drove by it and walked back.
There was
Oh,
two.
did you?
There was two. One was
Yeah.
facing away. One was facing this way.
Yeah.
You said you're okay, right?
Maybe this is meant to be. We're getting our lesson here.
Yeah,
We're gonna have to get an axe though.
that's what I was thinking. We were not
Reach up
prepared
in
for
there?
this.
Oh, you're on the outside.
Maybe at the house. There's one.
Oh, I bet there is.
Caden, you're the one with the permit. You have fun doing this.
We went
Oh,
to-
I'll do it. Oh, you're
I'll
gonna
do
help.
it. You're gonna jump up inside.
Let your handle.
He's just gonna sit there with the GoPro and watch us do
Yeah,
this.
I'll spread the legs apart and you can just dive on in.
Windpipe?
So,
Here.
alright, so I don't know how you can see me, but that truck up there is a moose, dead. We've been watching them gut it. And then down there was a moose dead. It's pitch black right now, but we just got the light. Anyways, Caden obliterated this bird, and we got 5 today. This is one of the 5. This is the last one. So honestly, we probably won't eat that, because that was like,
Holy.
that's obliterated through the stomach. And the rest were good shots. So this is a mini how-to segment when they're working on the deer, getting it out of the
I would
deer.
do it back here. This is flat right here. Kind of.
We got the partridge.
So, we did stalk moose tonight.
Yeah, we saw 2 bulls today, by the way, but Caden has a cow permit. Look out.
You're gonna stand up on there?
So you don't have to do it on a stump. I just am because I prefer that. So you put your feet right up against them and on the wing.
Just
As
yank
close
up
to
on
them
the
as you
feet.
can be. Can't see the feet. Give me some light. Here are the feet. Grab hold of those low. Rip on up. That was a fail. Now we're getting his last partridge.
Yeah,
Well, that was a fail. I'm gonna tug on the tail
I'm
now. This should not be used in a how-to segment. That should. He obliterated this thing. Caden, it's a good thing the last one screwed up one, not the good
I
ones.
always do. I keep count.
Caden shot that last bird right in the chest, and if you can tell, the leg pulled off. Caden got a wet wipe on it too. There's literally his entire shotgun pellet, all the shotgun pellets from that entire shotgun are literally all in that breast and bent. I guarantee it. Not good meat.
You see the size of his head?
Yeah.
Hard, Jeff.
I'm
What are the
really
other
pretty.
2 roads you just mentioned? I got the one.
5 and 6. This one here. and the
GoPro
next
family
one.
Oh, you
hunt.
said that, but
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
They don't have any names, but it's the 2nd and 3rd right.
Holy moly, man.
after Ontario.
And
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we were there.
Is this your guys' first moose hunt?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. It was a decent day. I mean, it's the next day, but I mean, this is the outro for this video. So that moose that we filmed was not ours. We stopped by helping some guys that you know had their moose, and there was actually 2 like 100 yards apart, and that's where we've been hunting. So we stopped by to get a little lesson, because all we know how to do is deer and stuff. So we got a little lesson. Got a little lesson on that. We got some partridge. So it was a good day, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and don't forget to like and subscribe.